As of January 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is anticipated to receive the One UI 7 update, which is based on Android 15. This update introduces several notable features designed to enhance user experience. The Now bar on the lock screen provides quick access to essential tools like interpreter, music, recording, and stopwatch, streamlining daily tasks. AI writing tools assist in composing emails and social media posts by offering suggestions for improved clarity and tone. The camera app has been redesigned for a more intuitive experience, featuring new settings and modes to elevate photography and videography. On the security front, the Knox Matrix dashboard allows users to monitor all connected devices, such as Galaxy mobiles, TVs, and home appliances, ensuring a comprehensive view of their ecosystem security status. Additionally, the update includes a Super HDR feature, enabling users to manage HDR content brightness across all apps, preventing overly bright highlights during nighttime usage. These enhancements collectively aim to provide Galaxy A15 users with a more personalized, secure, and user-friendly experience.